Something I should say about this song, I guess, is that it's written from the perspective of my dog Django. So it's not me singing; it's my dog. I interpreted one night, but anyway, we had two dogs, and then, you know, as happens with animals, one passed away, and Django was left by himself, and I got to thinking about what his life must be like, because, you know, we both worked during the day, and his buddy was gone, and so I just wrote this song. I took my last walk about an hour ago. Leaves were falling, and soon there will be snow, and I will bite the ice between my toes. The woman's gone now, just me and the dude, chasing the sunlight stretched out across the room. What else for a dog to do? It's a waiting game. It's a slow return. I'm listening close to the sound of her. For the sound of her. The body gets older. I seen the white dog go. He's out there running, unseen in the drifting snow. I think he's waiting to shepherd us home. There's a world of silence in a life like this, and I still remember when the children were just kids, and they would rage with their joy and their fits. It's a waiting game. It's a slow return. I'm listening close for the sound of her. For the sound of her. Took my chances. I got no plans, but I got my senses. I need to run some.